gonna go look for rocks? This doesn't seem like looking in the access panel of the fridge. This seems like yard work. Yeah, careful that one. Oh, that's pretty, girl. Did you wrap the weeds around that thorny one? It hurts. Yeah, that thing's got some like proper skin gashers on it.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, look at the thorns on that thing. You know, that might be a rose bush, honey. Look at those leaves. Have we ever been inside the panel?
Yeah.
Oh, this will be fun. Watch out, you're on candid camera. What do we got? Some nice rocks. Those are pretty.
Quartz.
You think they're quartz?
They are.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure.
You're pretty sure. Alright guys, we are going to take a look at the refrigerator compartment to try and start this 12-volt refrigerator replacement? Conversion? We're not really converting it. We're replacing it. There's nothing wrong with our propane fridge other than the fact that it runs on propane. And it has to have shore power to run because obviously we don't have any propane right now because of some little gray tree rat. So... yeah.
I don't even know if anyone has that.
I think it's just this, but what? This seems like a pretty hefty gauge.
So hefty to have one of those. So.
Yeah.
You can see
Writing on it. Writing on it.
All right. I mean, that's hair in my eyes. Ah, I can't see.
Yeah, it's
That seems like we might be able to return some things in our preparation for this project.
There's two sets. I don't know where the other one goes. One probably goes to the fuse panel.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it probably goes to the fuse panel below this. Oh, look at that giant dead bug right there. Right there. So I haven't actually opened the box yet for the fridge, but hopefully there's a manual.
Just gotta figure out where all the screws are too.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to take it out now.
I kind of want to take it out. We don't have anything. Like, I mean, I guess we could take out the old fridge. It's not staying in. This seems like a terrible plan. Thought out. What'd you get?
it's big.
Nice. Say hi, everybody. Oh, you already got it out. I missed it.
I gotta take this off.
Do it? Alright. Wow. Oh, 2 screws. Well, I guess he technically took out 3 screws. Hey, are you sure there's no propane in there?
Yeah. Hasn't been for a long time.
Almost a year now. Oh, that's all dried out and gross.
Oh, it's fine. I don't really want it to be. This whole panel's disconnected. The only thing that's actually connected right now is this.
How do you undo that?
No, not quite do it just yet because I want to make sure we can get it moved first.
Right?
I gotta figure out the best way to get those off.
Like that? Well, you pull.
Perfect. I'm just gonna take the doors off.
That'd be easier. Oh, you gotta remember to grab our little clampy doos. It's a technical term there. Clampy doo.
I don't have a socket set here, unfortunately.
Sorry.
heavy do you think this thing is?
112 pounds.
So lighter than a keg.
Yes, lighter than a keg, but bigger than a keg.
Should be doable then.
Please don't hurt yourself. Please don't hurt yourself.
It'd be easier if this was in a slide.
Would it though?
Right up against the fireplace.
Better than a dinette. Oh, here it comes. You're almost fully clear. And you are clear. Ooh.
Whew.
How's your foot?
That's fine.
Okay.
How's yours?
Pretty good. I'm hoping the floor is okay.
My toes are fine.
I don't want to go get the new fridge. But you still got to cut up here?
Yeah, we gotta cut like 5 inches. But, I mean, we probably should go get the new fridge and measure before cutting.
Yeah. I mean,
And the saw will run off the truck, so we can do that.
yeah, I don't want to leave a giant hole forever.
Yeah, no, I gotcha.
We have a hole.
We do have a hole. I'm gonna come look at the hole. I'm gonna get rid of Breeze.
It's not too bad.
Can you grab that? Thank you. Oh gosh, what a mess. No, it's not too bad at all. Look how nicely that refrigerator fits in the back of our short bed truck. It's so nice. You are live, and let me get Dad his mic.
Okay. I climb out of. I
You
climbed
can
up.
like record me. So we decided to. How close to my face are you? We decided to go back and just get the new fridge. Well, that's probably in stereo. I forgot I was holding the second mic. All right, let's try this again. All right, so we decided to just go back and get the new fridge. Is it still recording, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. So here is the box. Don't do that again, please. I asked you not to. So, yeah, let's hope it goes through the door a little easier than the other one did coming out.
And it never hurts doing it more. This is our little camera case, first of all.
Is it the same size?
No.
5 inches taller?
Yeah. It's really fluffy. I'm not going to touch that because it's like glass on the finger. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I wonder if that whole thing needs to come out.
It might.
It's a huge fly in here.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Do you think that board back there is going to be an issue?
I don't know. Let's measure the depth.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the power panel in the back.
Reagan? You want me to read the rest while you touch?
And my hand hurt.
Yes. I like the wrinkles on the top.
Right, but this goes out front, right? Not like.
It just shows the flat. It doesn't. I don't know.
Fell out of the refrigerator?
I think so. It came out from underneath of it. I wonder if it's like a hinge pin.
Looks like something.
It looks like a door hinge pin.
I think that's from the old. I think that was what held the doors on for the old one.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks really new.
Well, it's because it's stainless, but
Okay.
yeah, I think that was part of the old one.
All right.
That's exactly what it looked like when I pulled it out.
All right. Are you ready?
Nope.
Okay.
I actually am. I just didn't want to.
You're such a dork.
All right.
All right. Ready?
1, 2,
Go.
3. You can't just go. You gotta
Just go.
You gotta 1, 2, 3 that shit.
We don't have to 1, 2, 3 it.
Well, that seems easier.
Yeah, a little bit. Hello. I think I'm cattywampus again. I think it's my side. There we go.
Cool.
The feet, don't buff it like maybe the feet are catching. And at the bottom feet.
Why don't you go up back and make sure it's not the propane hose? Oh, that's the phone problem.
What's the problem? Oh, the outlet. Awesome.
Yeah. I think what we're going to have to do with that is just move it over.
Move it over where?
Just move it over this way.
Okay.
We only need like a half an inch.
We'll be back, hopefully with less dents, to finish this job when we figure out what exactly we need to do. Say goodbye, Steven.
Bye, Steven.
All right, guys, I forgot the actual camera, so we're making do with the backup camera, i.e. my cell phone. So we are about to trim out this fridge. The insulation has dried, or the spray foam rather, but you can see, look how pretty it is. We were just doing some electrical work, so there is no power to the rig. Not that there's power to the rig usually anyway, but we leave in 2 days. So we are in the final push to that. Let me get closer. You can see, let me get out of fisheye mode. You can see that just spray foam in there to help insulate and keep bugs out, you know, because who likes bugs? I did add some window screening to the panel in the back. I don't know if it was necessary, but it made me feel better. And then you can see my dry fitted test piece of trim. So it is 85 degrees in here with like 100% humidity here in Virginia today. So I'm going to get this stuff up and get into some air conditioning. All right, see you on the flip side. All right, there is the trim all around. Oh, I guess I could have gotten lower to show off the bottom, but you know, it's very low and I am now very tired. So let me back up. It is looking fabulous. Very, very happy.